Then let's take this one. Let's do one more with orange. Take one of these other hats, pop it on there. Do the black down here. And then let's do a clover on this one. Let's do it in yellow though. So squeeze, you're doing little heart shapes. So see how that's like a heart on the side? So what I'm doing is, I'll do this towards you. Bag's at a 45-degree angle. I'm squeezing, letting the pressure build up, and then dragging the tip. And then coming the other way, this way. This time I went this way, going this way, squeeze, and drag the tip down like that. And the little stem can come down. Okay? I keep putting on there. Okay, so that is how we will do those. Let me do the coins. And don't worry, I'm just doing all the orange right now because that's what the tip is on this bag, but we're going to do the other colors. Here we'll take some of these and just sprinkle these on. And then we'll just take a little coin and pop that. You could put 1 coin, 2 coins, whatever you want. So there's another one. And then the last one would be the rainbow. Okay, so for the rainbow, for this one, let's do the blue icing. Okay. Take my blue, pop that in there. Okay, we'll have to put the rainbow. It's easier to put it actually on first, like that, and then do the rainbow part. So you can either use all these colors, like this one. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of cheat and take a another tip and put it over this. And I think I'm only going to do 3 colors on these. This is a tip number 10. So I'll do the orange on the outside. And then how about I'll take the green. And I'm just going to push that over there and really cheat here. Like you've never done that. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and put the purple on here. It's leaning back a bit, so let me push it back up. Okay, so make sure I just push that down a little bit more. And then what do we need? We need the clouds at the base, right? So we'll take some of the white. And then to secure it here, we'll put a little bit more back here. And if you want, you could put some up here. Okay, and I think this one should probably have some of the sparkly dust on it too. And voila. Okay, so I'll do some of the rainbows in different colors. Okay, so I'll continue to do these and then I'll show you putting it together after I have all my cupcakes done.